Time to recover these grubby wooden chairs. First, I'm taking the old seat cushion or seat off and remembered to put on my face mask. Now I am lightly sanding, and I'm trying to be methodical and do each section as it faces you, and then rotate to do the section of wood that faces me, so that tops and bottoms and everything. Then I'm rinsing it off to get the sawdust off of it, and then I set it over there on a paint tarp to dry. I have the some of it propped up on spray paint can to get it up off of the floor. And here I am spray painting again, trying to do it by section using Krylon spray paint. You will find I wanted to do the bottom facing and let it dry, so I did 2 coats of that. Now I'm putting it on spray paint can lids to get it up off of the tarp so that I can spray paint the bottom of the chair all the way. Again, I'm going by section, and I end up doing 2 or 3 coats, making these chairs all match.